This is how to keep your cryptocurrency safe on Polygon by revoking access to smart contracts that want to spend your cryptocurrency unlimitedly. In the wild, wild west that is cryptocurrency, smart contracts and platforms can get hacked, and they get hacked all the time. So you want to make sure you own 100% access to your cryptocurrency by revoking access to these smart contracts. All right, so let me show you how to do it. Without further ado, let's get right into this video. Now, revoking access to smart contracts or decentralized applications is actually pretty simple. So what you're gonna do on Polygon, we're gonna go to polygonscan.com. All right, this is basically a fork of etherscan.io for the Ethereum blockchain. I did a video already covering how to revoke access to dApps on Ethereum. So Polygon is basically a fork of Ethereum. Polyscan is basically a fork of Ethereum, etherscan.io. Now the website is Polygon Scan Token Approval Checker. Now I will put the link for that website in the description of this video so y'all can have easy access to it. But here you're gonna go to token approvals, and in the search bar, you're gonna enter in your MetaMask wallet. So we're gonna do that now. So I actually ended up entering somebody else's wallet. I actually entered in one of Mark Cuban's wallets here. As you can see, there's one smart contract. There's one dApp that has, unlimited access to his crypto right here. I don't know if this was sent to him or if this is something that's a transaction that he did, but there's an approved spender here. Obviously, the contract looks a little bit weird, so it might have been sent to him. And if he interacts with this smart contract, he might get all the crypto in his wallet drained. All right, this is how people scam. But let's say he interacted with this smart contract himself, and he wants to, revoke access. You would just come here, and then under revoke, you're gonna click revoke. Now, he would have to connect his wallet, or if it's our wallet, we would have to connect our wallet. So how we would do that is we would go here, and it says connect to Web3. So we're gonna click connect to Web3, and then we're gonna click MetaMask. All right, we only use MetaMask around here. So when that is done, we are now gonna connect our wallet, and we're gonna click next. We're gonna click connect. As you can see, our wallet would then be connected. All right. Now it's not going to let us revoke this transaction because it's not the wallet of the owner. Our wallet is not the wallet of Mark Cuban's wallet or the owner of this wallet, that made this transaction here with this smart contract. But when you're ready to revoke, all you would have to do is click revoke. It's going to prompt you to accept it in your MetaMask. You're going to accept it in your MetaMask and accept it on your hardware wallet. Then you have now revoked this transaction. Now always remember, when you revoke transactions from decentralized applications, you have to pay a gas fee. That gas fee can range anywhere from $8 to $20 on Ethereum, but on Polygon here, probably going to pay around like 20 to 30 cents to revoke that transaction. It's not very expensive at all. But you always want to revoke transactions with smart contracts, with decentralized applications, with DEXs, because if those smart contracts are hacked, if those DEXs are hacked, if those decentralized applications are hacked, you could potentially lose your crypto. All right, crypto protocols and platforms are hacked literally every day. Every day you see 100 million stolen here, 200 million stolen on this protocol. So it's a good thing to do to revoke those applications. All right, if you want to buy Polygon for very cheap, you can use gate.io. I have my referral link in the description. You can get some free crypto when you sign up. Gate.io is my favorite exchange for paying very cheap transaction fees and buying almost cryptocurrency. All right, that's all I have for y'all today. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I hope y'all learned how to revoke transactions on Polygon. You need to protect your crypto. All right, y'all have a blessed day.